everyone, welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm really excited about drawing something super yummy today. Can you guess what I'm drawing with this black marker here? Well, let me tell you, it's something super sweet, and it is the cutest cupcake. So we're gonna start with our black marker and our white piece of paper right here. To start off, I'm gonna do the cupcake cup portion first. So I'm gonna make this wavy rim on the top of the cup for the cupcake. So you can see it's half circles all connected. And then I'm going to extend it by drawing the top of the cupcake. So I'm going to have 3 layers for my cupcake. So the first layer, second layer, big, kind of like more flat on the bottom. And then one more layer on the bottom here. So there's 3 layers to this cupcake. You can add 5, 6, as many layers as you like as well. Next, I'm going to do the cup portion of the cupcake. So I'm going to use a straight line extending downwards. And then I'm connect the 2 lines together on the bottom. Right there. So that's the bottom of the cupcake. You can see the general shape of the cupcake already. Next, I'm going to draw eyes for my cupcake. So it'll be 1 circle here. And then another circle, and I'm going to draw 2 smaller circles inside the cupcake and then fill in the gap with my black marker right here. So you can see that the cupcake's eyes are sparkling because it's super happy and excited. I would be too if I was such a sweet cupcake. Now I'm going to draw a mouth for the cupcake. Of course, for you can have a open mouth. You can have sad cupcake if you want, or you can have a cupcake that has tongue sticked out, whatever you would like. And then I draw 2 circles on the side for his cheeks. Next, I'm going to do arms for the cupcake. You can have your arms extended outwards or downwards. Just think about your story that you'll be drawing for this cupcake. What is the story that you're drawing is trying to tell? Is the cupcake heading over to a dance party? If that's the case, probably want to have some arms up and one arm up, one arm down as it's dancing is boogieing on its own to its own music. Next, I'm going to add some sprinkles, which are these rectangles all along randomly on the cupcake. Of course, if you like, you can add in chocolate chips or other types of condiments you like to add to your cupcake or other decorations. Here I have my cupcake already. Isn't he so cute and so happy? I think he's looking really cute. I can't imagine it looking any better if we weren't gonna color this cupcake in. So I feel like this can be such a colorful cupcake. You can use all the favorite colors you want. Or you can color in whatever your favorite cupcake is. Maybe it's a chocolate cupcake, in which case you can use some brown. Maybe you want some pink frosting on your cupcake, or maybe you want some sprinkles that are multiple colors. So here I'm coloring in my sprinkles with all these different colors I have, and then also adding in some pink for the blush on the cheeks of the cupcake and also the tongue on the mouth. So looking pretty darn cute so far. Next, I'm going to use this pink to draw in stripes, connecting from top to bottom for the stripes that is on the cup portion of the cupcake. I prefer using a lighter color, then you can see the face a little bit more clearly. Next, you can leave that white if you like or color it in. Now I'm going to color in the cupcake, the icing itself. I don't know about you guys, but I love something sweet, so I love my icing. Of course, you can do different colors for each layer of your cupcake if you would like. You can add on a layer on top that's orange, maybe that's orange flavor, maybe yellow for like lemon flavor. What kind of flavor cupcake do you like? Or what kind of cupcake have you had recently? Was it a vanilla one with lots of different color sprinkles all over it? You could do that as well, or you can color up whatever dream cupcake it would be if you get to have any cupcake of your choice. What kind of flavor would it be? Would it be gummy bear flavor? Or maybe it's cotton candy flavor. Well, use your imagination and color in and draw the cupcake of your dreams. And don't be afraid to use all kinds of wild colors that you like. Here I'm adding in the same color for each layer of the cupcake, but of course you can use any color of your own. Like I mentioned earlier, the great part about drawing is that even though we're doing the exact same idea of a cupcake, we can have something totally different, and each of our drawing will have their own story to tell. I think having a story to tell for your drawing is also important, and it's a great way for you to share your artwork with your friends or your family. So for my cupcake, I'm thinking it's putting on its party hat on, it's dye its hair pink, and it's gonna head over to maybe a dance party. So it better know how to do the proper dance steps. Maybe I'll add some music notes on the back to show that the cupcake is dancing, or I don't know, maybe I'll do a disco ball on the top, or maybe like a really shiny dance floor on the bottom. What do you think? Your cupcake can also be going to a birthday party, or you can even add a candle to your cupcake and then you can gift it to a friend for their birthday. Wouldn't that be really nice to get a personal drawing for someone's birthday? I would be so excited if that was the case. Okay, so now I'm finished coloring the icing portion. I'm gonna add in a little bit of different types of color for the icing or sprinkles on top. I don't like too much sprinkles on my cupcake, but maybe you guys like lots of sprinkles on yours. So feel free to add more sprinkles if you would like onto your cupcake. Now I'm actually coloring the cup portion of the cupcake. I'm using this bright orange color because I just really like this bright orange. It just makes me very happy. What color makes you happy when you look at it? Is it a blue or green or purple? Make sure if that's a color you like, you can consider incorporate it into your drawing, or try something completely different as another option as well. If you're not sure what color to color, you can also add to your friends, families, and ask them, what's your favorite color? And then you can use those colors for your cupcake and gift them the drawing at the end. Wouldn't that be nice? Would you like to be gifted a drawing of a cupcake? Or maybe you prefer to get a real cupcake to eat yourself. Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe both. Anyways, I'm just gonna color in my cupcake here. Like I mentioned, I'm probably gonna add in some music notes on the side to show that this cupcake is dancing to some really awesome music. I'm not sure what type of music though. Do you think it'll be more like melodies that are classic, or maybe it's pop, maybe it's jazz? I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll add in some music notes, color in the sprinkles, and then I think I'll probably wrap up for this drawing of this cutest cupcake. I want to thank you so much for drawing with me for this drawing for kids, and I hope to see you in another video in the future. Stay safe and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.